Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss about cytoplasmic inheritance. In eukaryotic cell, nucleus present, and inside the nucleus genetic material, that is chromosome, present, and inside the chromosome genes are present. In eukaryotic cell also chromosome present in cytoplasm, that is in cytoplasmic organelles. So inside the cytoplasmic organelles also genetic material present or chromosome present. That organelles are mitochondria and chloroplast or plastid. Okay, so in eukaryotic cell two types of genetic material present. One type present inside the nucleus, which is called nuclear genetic material, and another type of chromosome or genetic material present in the cytoplasm or inside the cytoplasmic organelles. These are called cytoplasmic genetic material, or we also called extra nuclear genetic material. So genetic material two types: nuclear, which are present inside the nucleus, then extra nuclear, which genetic material present outside the nucleus, that means in cytoplasm. Though the genetic material present in cytoplasm, it is also called cytoplasmic genetic material. The inheritance of gene from parents to offsprings, the transfer of gene from parents to offsprings is called inheritance. If genes are inherited from nucleus, then it is called nuclear inheritance. And if genes are inherited from the cytoplasm of parents to the offsprings, then it is called cytoplasmic inheritance or extra nuclear inheritance. Okay, so what is cytoplasmic inheritance? Inheritance of cytoplasm along with genetic material from parents to offsprings. Clear? So this is called cytoplasmic inheritance. Now I will give some example of cytoplasmic inheritance. Cytoplasmic inheritance occurs from mother to offsprings. It is not inherited from father, it is inherited from mother, because during fertilization, ovum fertilize with sperm, and sperm cytoplasm is very little, and ovum cytoplasm is large amount. So during fertilization, the zygote is formed, and inside the zygote maximum amount of cytoplasm present inherit from the ovum, and very little or no cytoplasm comes from the sperm. So in zygote, cytoplasmic material that present is coming from the mother or from the ovum, because ovum released from mother. Clear? So genes that are present in cytoplasm, they can inherit from the ovum to the zygote, and the zygote develops to form embryo, and the embryo develops to form offsprings. So in the offsprings or in the child, genetic material of mother that are present in the cytoplasm, they are present. So transmission of genetic material is called cytoplasmic inheritance. So in this way, cytoplasmic inheritance only transmit from mother to offsprings. Okay. In Mirabilis jalapa, different types of branches are present, and that branch contain green color leaves or pale green color leaves or variegated green color leaves. So there are three types of branches are present in Mirabilis jalapa. If we cross between green plant leaves or green branch of Mirabilis jalapa with pale green Mirabilis jalapa branch, then what happened? In green plant or in green color Mirabilis jalapa, the plastid that present in the cytoplasm and the gene that responsible for the green color present inside the plastid. Okay, let we take green color female and pale color male. From male plant, male gamete comes, and during fertilization cytoplasmic inheritance occurs in zygote. So from the mother body, plastid inherited to the zygote, and the zygote develops green color pigment. As a result, the plant develops to form green branches. Clear? So here there is no role of pale green color male parents for the expression of pigment or for the expression of leaves color in zygote, because inheritance occurs from the mother cytoplasm. Okay.